All right, we are doing a morning tropical update. This is August 28th morning update. Aaron did form, and now it's a tropical depression, really not doing a whole lot of anything interesting. So that's enough of that story. I haven't really changed anything on the areas being monitored for development, either in the Caribbean or over here off the coast of Africa. So nothing too crazy at the moment. Here's the previous track of Dorian, and you can see now it is nearing the U.S. Virgin Islands, which now, along with the British Virgin Islands, have a hurricane warning in place as we are up to around 60, 65 miles an hour, maybe actually 70 with the latest advisory. I'm not entirely sure. But it is expected to become a relatively strong system, as it will have minimal impact or minimal interaction with the Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico. So little to no deterioration of the inner core of the system will occur as it makes landfall on St. Croix later today. Well, really later this morning, with near hurricane force winds. Category 1 is the forecast as it heads north of the Bahamas and as it heads around the Bahamas into Florida. I'm going to give you guys a little update of what exactly is going on. So Dorian is a little bit farther north than the current guidance envelope. After it passes Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands, the track depends where this high pressure ridge sets up. So currently there's a high pressure system around here. Once Aaron takes off, then there's going to be high pressure here. And the question is, how far to the west will it expand? If it's over here into the U.S., then that means Dorian's heading through Florida. The stronger that is, the farther south that is. Also, there's an upper level low. The stronger that upper level low is to the south, then the more it'll pull Dorian with it southward through Florida. If it's out here and doesn't completely go over, then we could see a quick northward turn, and that could impact South Carolina, North Carolina, or completely go out to sea. So we'll see exactly what happens, but it does look like we will have a Category 3 hurricane impacting the Florida coast. And afterwards, as we head into days 7, 8, 9, and 10, we could see some impacts along the Gulf Coast as well. And that could be really interesting. But important to note here, our extreme impacts, our high impact, and our moderate impact for Florida are all temporary at this time. That's only through day 5 position being in the center of Florida. So stay tuned for more information. We'll have updates as Dorian gets closer to landfall. There's lots of uncertainty in this forecast, both in the track and intensity. So this is the best bet, but a lot can change.